This video will show how to cut a notch in a board using the shape tool. And I have the board right side drawers. I double clicked it and selected the surface for the shaping. Click the shape button. First thing I want to do, I'm going to set the spacing a bit bigger, just so it's kind of out of my way for this exercise. But add a point. I'm going to add 4 points. And then if I select this point, first I want to notice that this is front 0, bottom 9. So if I take that point and select it, you'll see here that front 0, make front 2, and the bottom 9, like that. Update. So I have my first notch, and I notice this one's it wasn't exactly right, so take that and just make it 9, like that. Check this one. 18. Select that one. I would have that be 18 and 3. This one should be 3. Like that. Take the shape tool again and put a curve on that. Here. Take that up. You can adjust that or whatever, but essentially we have a keyhole